You are watching Tutor.
Our lesson for today is under MELC, Most Essential Learning Competency Code, M9AL-1A-B-1. Solves quadratic equations by extracting square roots, factoring, completing the square, and using the quadratic formula.
Okay, so natapos na natin yung solving quadratic equation by completing the square where a is equal to 1. Today, pag-aralan naman natin yung pag-solve ng quadratic equation by completing the square where a is greater than 1. So, ang unang proseso dito, tingnan muna natin yung numerical coefficient ng ating quadratic term or ng ating leading term. So, meron tayong positive 2. So, yung 2 na yan, kailangan matanggal siya dyan para later makapag-complete tayo ng square. So, ang unang process natin, divide everything by 2. So, divide natin 2, 2, 2, and 2. So, 2x squared divided by 2, syempre makakancel ng 2 because that is equal to 1. Meron na tayong natitirang x squared minus 5 half x minus 3 halves equals 0 divided by 2 is 0. So, yan na ngayon yung bagong trinomial natin. Ngayon, i-apply na natin yung addition property of equality. So, kailangan matanggal muna dito si negative 3 halves. So, sa simpleng proseso, by additive inverse, mag-a-add tayo ng positive 3 halves dito. And then, mag-a-add din tayo ng positive 3 halves sa right side of the equation. Or pwede namang, ang gawin na lang natin, tanggalin dyan si negative 3 halves at gawing positive 3 halves sa right side of the equation. Mag-aabang tayo ng isang term dito, place para sa ating completing the square. Okay, so ngayon, kunin na natin yung factors ng ating x square minus 5 half x plus 25 over 16. Then, apply natin yung addition of fractions sa right side of the equation, which is 3 halves plus 25 over 16. So, dahil perfect square na ito, ang factor nito ay square root of x square is x. Tapos, negative ang ating sign or operation. Then, get the square root of 25 over 16. So, ang square root ng ating 25 ay 5. And then, square root of our 16 is 4. Then, a fixed square equals, so, anong ating LCD? Sa 2 and 16, ang LCD natin ay 16. Then 16 divided by 2 is 8 times 3, we have 24. Plus 16 divided by 16 is 1 times 25 is 25. So we have x minus 5 over 4, or the square of x minus 5 over 4 equals 49 over 16. Ngayon, kunin natin yung square root of both sides of the equation. Yan. Okay. So, take note, pag kinukuha ang square root, lagay natin yung plus, minus. So, this will be cancelled out. So, ang maiwan dito sa kabila ay x minus 5 over 4 equals plus minus, anong square root ng ating 49? So, we have 7. Square root ng ating 16, we have 4. So, nasa final solution na tayo. X minus 5 over 4 equals plus minus 7 over 4. So, by addition property of equality, ilipat natin si negative 5 over 4. Kasi mag-a-add tayo ng positive 5 over 4 at positive 5 over 4 sa kabila. So, makakancel out ito. Magiging positive 5 over 4 plus minus 7 over 4. Okay. So, ngayon, hanapin natin yung actual values ng ating x. So, dalawa. Lagay natin dito yung isa. X equals 5 over 4 plus 7 over 4. So, ano ang ating LCD? Still 4. So, 5 plus 7, we have 12. So, dividing 12 by 4, the result is positive 3. Ibig sabihin, ang isa sa ating mga solutions ay positive 3. Next, x equals 5 over 4 minus 7 over 4. So, dito, LCD pa rin natin ay 4. So, by using the addition of integers or applying it, positive 5 plus negative 7 will give us negative 2. So, simplify this negative 2 over 4. Ang x na natin ngayon ay equal to negative 1/2. So, ito ang isa sa ating mga solutions. Ibig sabihin, ang mga x natin ay positive 3 at negative 1/2.
It's your turn. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing the square. Number 1. 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 equals 0. Number 2. 9x squared plus 12x minus 5 equals 0. Good luck! Time starts now! Ang mga sagot. Number 1. X equals negative 1/2 at x equals negative 5. Number 2. X equals positive 1/3 at x equals negative 5/3.
Like and subscribe. Tutor Med. Happy learning!